In this video, I will show you how to clean your C drive in Windows 10 and free up storage space easily. First, open the search bar, type disk cleanup, and run it as administrator. Then select the C drive and click Clean Up System Files. Choose Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, Thumbnails, and Windows Update Cleanup. Then press OK and delete the files. Next, press Windows plus R, type temp, delete all files, then repeat the process by typing %temp% and remove those files as well, skipping any files currently in use. After that, empty your recycle bin to permanently remove deleted items. Now open Settings, go to Apps, and uninstall programs or games you no longer need to free extra space. Then go to Settings, System, Storage, and turn on Storage Sense, so Windows automatically removes unnecessary files. Finally, move large files like videos or downloads from the C drive to another drive to keep your system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.